Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about what's going on if your Desa doorbell is not working. We're going to go through kind of the most common issues that it could be. So first of all, your doorbell chime might not be working. So if you press the doorbell button and nothing happens, the first thing to check is the fuse or a tripped breaker that could be not providing power to it. Now, if you verify that the fuse is okay, the breaker is on, it's not tripped or anything like that, then now you know that the issue is in the button itself or in the chimes or in the transformer. It's something within the actual doorbell. Now, we want to check the button first. As this is outside, it can get rained on or whatever like that, and so things can happen to it. So anything is possible with the button to cause the doorbell to stop working. So what we want to do is we want to just remove the doorbell button cover. So you're probably going to have to unscrew the button from the wall and make sure that you see the two wires touching. You may have to pry off the cover plate to get access. So don't worry, you don't need to cut the power to inspect these wires. There's not a lot of juice going to them or anything like that. So you want to check the wires and make sure that they're connected to the terminal screws and everything like that. So anything that's disconnected needs to be reconnected. Now you can actually also check, and you can check to see you can actually touch the wires together and see if you hear a ring. And so if you hear the ring, then you know that everything is good and that it's the button itself that's not working. And then you might need to just replace the button. Now, you can replace or repair the wiring if you need to. You can use even some sandpaper to remove any corrosion or oxidation that there might be on the wiring. You also want to check the doorbell chime box. So if you've checked everything and the button seems to be working fine, then there could be in the chime box. So you want to remove the cover on the chime box and do a cleaning of all the parts inside using a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol if you see any dirt or anything like that needs to be cleaned off. So you want to clean the chimes, clean the hammer, clean the contacts, and make sure there also that there are no loose parts or wiring or anything like that. So a good cleaning can very often fix the problems. If this doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is check the doorbell transformer. Now, again, within the transformer, we want to do kind of the same thing. We just want to make sure that all of the wiring is tight and connected and not corroded or anything like that. And now you can actually touch the wires together within the transformer. And if you see a spark, that means that your transformer is working, and if not, you might need it to be replaced. So anyways, hopefully one of these things will get the problem fixed for you and get your doorbell working again. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.